subscribe and click the bell icon to turn on notifications.
Module 7-3, Set up automatic entries, also known as recurring transactions. In this module, I'm going to show you how to set up recurring transactions so that they're automatically recorded within QuickBooks Online and you don't need to remember to record them. We're going to start by clicking on the gear in the upper right-hand corner. Under the column for List, we're going to go to Recurring Transactions. We're then going to set up an automatic recurring transaction. Let's go ahead and click on the New in the upper right-hand corner. For this automatic transaction, I'd like to make a new invoice. I want this invoice to go out once a month automatically. Let me click on OK. I'm going to create a recurring invoice for my customer, Matt. My template name is Matt Everett, monthly invoice. This is going to be scheduled. My choices are scheduled, reminder, and unscheduled. I would like this to be created 5 days in advance. I can choose to automatically send the email to Matt. If I was set up for merchant processing and to accept credit card and bank card, I can toggle these on so that when Matt gets his invoice, he'll automatically have a link to pay the invoice. I can indicate when to start. In this example, I'm going to start on April 1st. I'm going to come down here for the products and service, and I'm going to offer him consulting. What I'm doing is I'm setting up a monthly recurring invoice that automatically 5 days before the first day of the month, he's going to get an invoice sent to him via email asking for $999 plus tax for his recurring subscription for consulting services. I'll click on Save Template. When I look at my list of recurring transactions, I can see Matt Everett monthly invoice. I can see that it's scheduled. It's an invoice. It's going out every month. The next time it'll happen is on April 1st. It is associated to the customer, Matt Everett. In a previous video, I set up a reminder for Cindy for me to create her monthly invoice. I realize now that I don't want to create her monthly invoice. I would much prefer if QuickBooks were to create it for me. Let me go ahead and modify this. I'm going to click on Edit to the right. I'm going to change the drop-down under Type, and I'm going to change it from Reminder to Scheduled. And I'm going to say this one also can be 5 days in advance. And I can also automatically email. Now I'll just choose Save Template. In this video, I showed you how to locate, edit, and add recurring transactions.
If you're not a subscriber, click down below to subscribe so you get notified about similar videos we upload. To get a free QuickBooks Online Essential Keyboard Shortcuts infographic, click over there. And click over there to watch more QuickBooks videos from Simon Says It.